Do you want customers to trust your online business? Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing a judgeme app review and go through how it can help boost your e-commerce sales. Hi everyone and welcome to Leap. I'm Lucas, I'm one of the senior technical specialists here at AdPeople, and in today's video we'll be talking about product reviews, how you can use the judgeme app to get these reviews, and how these reviews can be integrated with Google Shopping. So first off, product reviews. Why we're talking about them, why they're important. So product reviews can really help improve your site's credibility and social proofing. It can really help customers who are looking to purchase on your website. It gives them a bit of information about your business, a bit of information maybe about a product that they want to buy. It can help their decision making and where they want to convert on your site. In fact, research has found up to 93% of consumers read product reviews before making a purchase on the website. Another notable benefit is that it can really help your online presence through the Google search engine. So positive reviews help your website rank highly, which is only a benefit even if you're not using paid advertising. So in a nutshell, judgeme is a user-friendly app that allows you to display and collect product reviews. It's compatible with most of the leading e-commerce web platforms in the market right now. So, we're recommending judgeme as the best app to get product reviews for a whole host of reasons. Firstly, it's got a really easy to use widget, so you can customise the design and make it fit in with your website theme, colour scheme, and make it look quite pretty.
I look quite pretty.
Another reason is that you can actually import reviews from previous sites. So if you're drop shipping from places like AliExpress, you can import those reviews onto your website, real reviews from real people. Another big reason we're recommending judgeme is the fact that you can set up email automations to collect those reviews for you. So it's a bit of a hands-off approach, but in the background, judgeme will be working to help you gather up your product reviews and build your website credibility. Plus, all of this is affordable. There's a free plan that you can sign up for, but there's also a paid plan at just $15 a month. And what this paid plan will do is give you the option to have customizable email templates, customizable widget, and give you the option to integrate it with Google Shopping. And many more.
I do that not weird though.
Now, before we get on to the next point, we created Leap for business owners at the start of their e-commerce journey to provide free content to help them grow their business. So if you are at the early stage of your e-commerce journey, check out our latest content because there'll definitely be something there that can help you out. So, one of the main things that we do for a lot of our clients is integrating these product reviews with Google Shopping. So now you've built up all these product reviews, loads of people have got great things to say about your website, about your products. Let's shout about it. Let's put it on your paid channels and start enticing customers to click on your ads and convert on your website rather than competitors who don't have the same product reviews. So what you can do is this will display on the search engine and it'll be just a little star rating under your product. So this really helps with your click-through rate, really helps with your credibility, and can help boost your sales through paid media. So, using the judgeme app, you can build up a whole host of reviews about your website and specifically products on your website. So what judgeme will do is I'll put this into what's called a product reviews feed. And then we can use this feed and integrate it with Google Shopping to start displaying some little stars below your product listings and shopping ads on Google. Now, what this will do is it will really help your click-through rate and boost your sales. Research has shown that once they get to your product pages with customer reviews actually can bring in 3.5 times more conversions than a product page without product reviews. So these product reviews really help you improve your credibility and can help boost your overall sales. So, if all this sounds interesting to you, we've put links in the description below from judgeme that walk through how you can set up their app, install the widget on your site, and even how you can integrate it with Google Shopping. The steps are really simple and easy to follow, so go have a look. So, in conclusion, product reviews are a crucial part of e-commerce. And by using judgeme, you can increase your visibility, build trust with potential customers, and also help those customers make informed purchase decisions earlier on in their journey. So if you're a small to medium-sized business and you're interested, try out judgeme. It gets the AdPeople thumbs up. So if you are going to set up judgeme on your website, but you run into any issues, any questions you have, put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply and hopefully help you out.
But
there is one or when they come.
Before we go, I've got to tell you about our exclusive newsletter, the Ecommerce Club. So we try to pack this full of content for business owners like you or anyone on their e-commerce journey to help them grow their businesses to where they want it to be. So every bit of content that we create is about how we can help you and give you value. There'll be a link down in the description below for you to check it out. So that's it for our Judgeme app review. But if you missed last week's episode, we started a brand new series on Marketing 101 with Cameron Smith, our head of e-commerce, so be sure to go and check that out. And like and subscribe.
Yeah, perfect.